Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the so-called National Vetting Center. Well, what is this? Well, it's a very weird institution. It's amorphous as far as I can see. The only thing I can figure out that it's done is added about a month of processing time on in most of our visa cases, and I've never seen anything that actually comes from them, but it was apparently invented toward the beginning of Trump's administration, and he created this National Vetting Center as sort of an extra layer of reviewing cases associated with immigration to the United States. A lot of people have asked me a lot of different questions about U.S. immigration. One thing that came up that I thought was video-worthy was, do I think that in the aftermath of this, are things going to get better under Biden? And the general answer to that is probably will, but it's going to take some time. But on to a specific question with respect to the National Vetting Center, will that go away? Well, one thing that can always be said about U.S. bureaucracy is once something's sort of invented, it's kind of difficult to disinvent it. So I don't exactly know if we're going to see the NVC, or I should say the other NVC, the National Vetting Center, as opposed to the National Visa Center, go anywhere. I've never been able to figure out exactly what it does, but I do know it's there, it exists. I've seen the press releases on it. So what exactly is going to happen with respect to the National Vetting Center remains to be seen. I suspect, though, that the Biden administration is not as overly concerned with placing high degrees of scrutiny on cases and, for lack of a better term, getting cases sort of gummed up in the administrative framework of processing through immigration. And for this reason, it may be somewhat logical to presume that we may see a far less active National Vetting Center, or it may go away entirely. Who knows? But if anything's going to happen, it's probably not going to happen particularly quickly.